and today I'm going to be showing you how I do my acrylic nails at home. If you're watching this video, this is definitely your first video you're seeing me on. If you want to stick around on my channel, subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. I hope to post a lot of makeup videos, maybe some more nail videos, hair videos, anything of that sort, or just about my life. I don't really know what I'm going to post, but for sure beauty videos, because that's what I really like. But today I am just going to be showing you like how I do my nails. But if you want to see more about me, please feel free to check out my Instagram. So to get into this video, today I just want to say a quick disclaimer. I am not a nail tech of any sort. I'm not a professional beauty anything. And I've been doing this for about 6 months now, so I've kind of learned how I like to do it. I really enjoy it. It saves me so much money. And I do not take any clients right now. I don't do anyone's nails, maybe one day, but right now I just do my own and I enjoy that, so I don't want to make it into something I don't enjoy doing. So to get into the kit that I have and that I will be using in this video, I bought it off Amazon. I don't really recommend buying it off Amazon, I just recommend buying it from the website itself. So the brand I use is called Kiara Sky. It is their dipping powder system and it's a starter kit. So it comes with a few powders, it comes with all the liquids and bottles that you'll need. About everything you need, but the one thing you definitely will need to buy is some kind of brush. I'll show you in the video what brush I use. And you'll also need nail files. I use an e-file and hand files, but hand files work just fine and it will get the job done, I promise. I bought the French kit. I don't think I said that in the video, but that's the one I bought. They have a few other kits. Just go on their website, check it out, and maybe you'll find one you like, or maybe you buy the one I bought. The one I bought, I believe, was around $100, and I've definitely bought more things to add on to that. Not saying it's necessary, and I definitely think I've bought a lot of stuff that I don't need per se, but I do this all the time and I know I'm gonna continue doing it for a while at least, and I'll get my money's worth of it. For me, it all makes sense, but for you, you might just want something simple and quick, and that's perfectly fine. This is just how I do it, and I get a lot of questions on how I do these nails, and a lot of people in my life want to know how to do it and want to know how I do it because they just think it's impossible, and it's not. And I'm here to tell you that if you want to do this, go do it. You will not regret it, I promise. But I wanted to make this video and I wanted to show everyone out there that it's not that hard and you can do it too. Another disclaimer before we get into the video is this isn't necessarily a tutorial. This is just me showing you how I do it, and maybe it would help you if you tried, because I know I watched a lot of videos. If you're trying to find like a really good video and detailed on how to do nails, I would suggest going to look at the Beauty Vault channel. She's really cool and her videos really help me a lot. All of that being said, and all my intro and disclaimer out of the way, let's get into the tutorial. So like I said previously, I'm going to be showing you how I do my own acrylic nails at home. These are my set that I've had for about 2 weeks now, and these are the before. I'll come back with my natural nails and we'll get ready into the steps. Next I'm going to be using today that you will need is the Kiara Sky Bond, or any system that you use, the bonding, the base, Kiara Sky base, which is number 2, the Seal Protect, which is number 3 in the system. And then I don't like the Kiara Sky top coat, so I'm using this Red Carpet Brilliance gel top coat that I got at Ulta. You will need the Kiara Sky, or any sort of a natural base to build your structure. This is what I'm using. Then for my color today, I'm doing white nails, so this is the Kiara Sky Pure White. And then you need a clear powder. This is the Kiara Sky Clear. I also use an e-file, which is not mandatory. You don't have to. You could definitely get this with a hand file to achieve the same thing, but I use this e-file. It was from Amazon. I also have these two. I use a lot of files. I don't think it really matters, but I love this one for doing nails on yourself. It makes it so easy. I really recommend, if you're going to be doing your nails a bunch, to get a dust mask. Probably shouldn't be ingesting this, so that's why I got the dust mask. You're also going to need a brush of some sort to dust off the excess powder that will be on your nails after dipping. This is a Bare Minerals one. It really doesn't matter. I also recommend a buffing block. I love buffing blocks over just a buffing tool on my e-file. So this is a buffing block I got from. Okay, so I'm back and my nails are all removed, and these are all just my natural nails. These are my nails with everything off. If they look a little rough, it's because they are rough. I mean, I'm kind of rough on myself, not as rough as you should be, but it's my own nails, so it's okay. So now that we have a clear base to start with, I'll just go over what I did off camera. So I used my e-file, and I have roughed up my nail with this bit, which is just a coarse sanding band, to rough up the nail a little bit. And then I bought these off of Amazon. These are just like extra nail bits for the e-file. Then I used this one, which is this little rounded bit, and you just kind of put this on and you run it along your cuticles like this, and it just takes off all of the dead skin around your nail, which lets the nail adhese, at ease. I can't talk. It basically just makes the nail hang on better, and it prevents lifting. So you want to prep your nail however you choose to prep your nail is fine. That's just how I prep mine. So like I said, we're all rough and filed now, and I even shaped them. I kind of just do like a tapered square. My first step, we're going to take our Kiara Sky, this is the bond. We're going to take this and apply it to all the nails. And I'm going to start with the Kiara Sky Natural, which is how you kind of build structure. When applying the base, the Kiara Sky base, when applying it, you want to apply thin coats to your nail. You want to take the base and get a thin layer on the brush, and since I already have some natural buildup, I'm just gonna do about 3/4 of the nail with the base. And you really want to make sure that you get the sides evenly, and you kind of want to work quick because this stuff does dry kind of fast. So then you just dip in the powder, pull it out, tap, and there you go. You definitely want to brush in between dipping. But yeah, so there's our base, there's our structure, and just repeat this on the rest of the nails. Now that you have finished the base layer, this is optional, but this is what I like to do. I like to apply the Steel Protect, and you apply this all over the nails. I like to apply this now because I will reshape my nail and kind of make sure that it's the shape I want it before I start putting on the color, because you don't, when you already have the color on, you really don't want to be filing that much because you can remove the color so easily. So that's just my little tip. But so I apply the Steel Protect, and you want to give the Steel Protect a second to dry. Now remember, the Steel Protect is to harden the acrylic and the resin that you have on your nails so that you can file. And how you check, I just take like a nail file and tap, and when you tap you should hear this like nice sound. And if it doesn't have that sound, you'll know, and you'll know don't file because it's still wet. So I'm just going to look at my nails and file them a little bit so that they're a good shape for the powder. I'm going to move into the white color. This is the color I'm going to be using. It is called Pure White from Kiara Sky. So you want to make sure your nails are all good. And take the white, have it open and ready. And this time when you paint on the base, you want to go almost to the cuticle, but basically like a hairline away. And remember to still do thin coats, keeping about a hairline away from the cuticle. But you want to make sure you get the sides, because that's a spot where I feel like a lot of people forget about. And there's my 2 coats of white. That's how they look, nice and even. So, and now just complete those steps for the rest of your nails. Now this nail is dry, ready to be filed. I'm going to file it with my fine grit e-file again, and I'll be back in a few seconds. Now I'm going to buff this hand with this buffing block. Dust everything off. I know this is a change in angle, but I'm kind of running out of time to do this video. I have to go to work, but I just applied a gel top coat. So now it is just curing, and then I will update you when it's done. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. I promise I'm gonna get better at filming and probably editing too, but please subscribe if you'd like to. Like this video if you really enjoyed it, and comment down below maybe some other videos you'd like to see from me, or any questions you have for me. I'd love to answer them down below. Don't forget to go check out my Instagram. I will have it on the screen, and also I'll tag it in the description box below. If you buy the kit, tag me on Instagram and let me see your nails. I'd love to see people's nails, so please tag me in all of your nail pictures. Thank you guys for watching. It really means a lot to me, so I hope y'all have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.